Hello, friends. How are you? Well, you just watched Mr. Seahorse by Eric Carle, and that was a fiction book. Why was it a fiction book? Yes, it was a fiction book because it was a make believe book about Mr. Seahorse and all the other marine fishes that he found on his way. So, what we're going to do today is I'm going to be reading to you this informational book. So you remember what informational book is? Yes, an informational book is going to give you information about something. And this one is going to give you information about what? Seahorses. So it is a nonfiction book. So here we have the cover of the book, and the title is Seahorses. And it's written by Kara L. Laughlin, so she's the author. And here we have the table of contents. So what is the purpose of a table of contents? Yes, the table of contents tells you what information the book has. So let's see what information can we find in this book. It says strange fish, it's page 4. Life in the grass, page 6. Blending in, page 9. Slow swimmers, page 10. Hanging on, page 12. Food, page 15. A seahorse family, page 16. Glossary, page 22. To learn more, page 23. Index, page 24. About the author, page 24. Strange fish. Do you see that strange fish hiding in the sea grass? See the sea grass there? It is a seahorse. Seahorses are fish. They have fins. They use gills to breathe. Did you know seahorses do not have scales like other fish? That's something I learned. Life in the grass. Seahorses live all over the world. They live near coast. They hide in sea grasses and coral that grow there. So we can see where he hides in the seagrass and in coral. And here we see the coral. Did you know there are more than 50 species of seahorses? That's something I learned today. Blending in. Seahorses are good at hiding. They are camouflaged to blend in with their homes. So do you see where the seahorse is? Look for it. Yes, we can see it here. There's the seahorse, and it is blending with its surroundings. This over here is the surroundings, the coral. Did you know seahorses can be up to 14 inches? So 14 inches it's bigger than a ruler. So they can be pretty big. Slow swimmers. Seahorses are poor swimmers. They are slow. They stay near their hiding places. Did you know seahorses look like they are standing up when they swim? So it looks like they're standing up, but they are swimming. Hanging on. Seahorses have strong tails. They can grab coral or sea grass. When the sea gets rough, seahorses hold on tight. And you can see here how the seahorse is holding. That's right, it has strong tails. Did you know the parts of a seahorse tail lock together to help it grip. See, it's holding grip because the ocean can get rough. That's right. If there is a storm or something, it gets rough. So they need to hold to something, onto something. Food. A seahorse eats through its long snout. Seahorses eat small shrimp. They eat tiny baby fish too. Seahorses eat all day long. So they eat through their snout. You can see the snout here. Did you know seahorses do not chew? They suck in their food like a vacuum. It sort of looks like a vacuum. That's right, when you're vacuuming, it sucks in. A seahorse family. In a seahorse family, the father carries the eggs. He has a pouch on his belly. The eggs grow there until they are born. Just like kangaroos and our other marsupials, but a seahorse is not a marsupial, that's right? They have a pouch. Just like in Mr. Horse story, Mr. Horse carried the eggs, that's right? The eggs grow there until they are born. Did you know a male can carry up to 1,500 eggs at one time? So the male is the father, that's right? Baby seahorses are called fry. Many fry are born, but not many grow up. Many seahorse fry get eaten by other fish. Oh, that's so sad. Did you know of 1,000 seahorse fry, only 5 will live to be adults? So imagine, of the 1,000 seahorse fry, only 5 will grow up to be an adult. Oh, that's sad. Seahorses are important. They add to the wonder of the sea. Did you know seahorses live for about 5 years? Here we have the glossary, and the glossary gives us meaning definitions about the words that are bolded. So, for example, if you didn't know what a coral is, you can come to the back and read. It says, coral are tiny sea animals that live close together. When coral die, they leave behind rock-like clumps and mounds. Also, here, if you didn't know what gills are organs in some animals that allows the animals to breathe underwater. So, if you want to find more information about seahorses, you can read more in EPIC. Also, you can visit this website over here. And here we have the index, where if you're looking for information, for example, if you wanted to know how they swim, you would look in alphabetical order, and here is the S, 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 and swimming. So that's in page 2. So thank you very much. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to write 3 facts that you found really interesting. And you can draw a seahorse in its habitat. Okay? So you can write 3 facts about seahorses. And if you want to, you can draw the seahorse in its habitats. I have always loved seahorses. I guess it's because I love horses, and they look like little horses, don't they? Well, thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye, friends.